In the heart of KwaZulu, a village flourished, surrounded by rolling hills and vibrant landscapes. In this village lived Nandi, a 90-year-old woman revered for her wisdom and deep connection to ancestral traditions. She was the matriarch of her community, guiding and advising the villagers with her vast knowledge and experience. One day, a prophecy was revealed by a respected sangoma, traditional healer, during a village gathering. The prophecy spoke of a celestial event that required the union of the eldest and the youngest in the village to ensure prosperity and protection for all. This union was to be between Nandi and Sipho, a curious and kind-hearted little boy known for his inquisitive nature and bright spirit. The announcement shocked the villagers. The idea of a 90-year-old woman marrying a little boy was unheard of and went against all societal norms. However, the prophecy was clear, and the sangoma's visions were never taken lightly. Nandi, understanding the significance of the prophecy, accepted it with grace and wisdom. She saw in Sipho a unique spirit and potential that aligned with the prophecy's intent. Sipho, though young, respected Nandi and understood the importance of their union, even if he couldn't fully comprehend it. On the night of the celestial event, the village gathered under a star-filled sky. The ceremony was simple yet profound, symbolizing the unity of past and future. Nandi and Sipho stood together, exchanging vows that were more about mutual respect and the village's well-being than traditional marriage. Their union became a symbol of harmony and balance. Nandi continued to guide Sipho, imparting her wisdom and ensuring he grew into a leader who respected traditions while embracing the future. Sipho, with his youthful energy and curiosity, brought new perspectives to the village, blending old and new ways. The story of Nandi and Sipho became a legend, teaching future generations the importance of balance, respect, and unity. Their unusual union brought peace and prosperity to KwaZulu, proving that sometimes the most unexpected alliances can lead to the greatest harmony.